Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 23rd, 2016, and today is Thursday. So it's a very big day today for the UK. Brexit vote coming in, whether or not Britain will stay within the EU or whether or not they will break away. So that will be throughout the whole day. We should have coverage on it on our Facebook page, and you should see updates throughout the day relating to this major event. So just looking at the markets now, we're just looking, let's look at the Euro USD here, trading at 113.43, really at the middle of these two extremes of 114 and 113, and so we are just about the middle of that. You know, it's very hard to say where we're going to be going. I expect it to be a very choppy day. Looking at the GBP USD, let's look at that first. We're at the top of the range here at 147. We've been rallying sharply over the past couple of days, since actually even last week. So, you know, all together it's been a nice move up. The question is whether or not they're taking it up to take it lower later. So in the presumption that somebody knows something about something. So, you know, it's we're at the top of the range. I'm going to just call it as the facts are. We're at the top of the range here, and we look like we're going to either sell off here or continue this rally. So it's a little, like I said, it's a little bit hard to say, we've hit this level once before at 147 and when we sold off. So previous support, subsequent resistance, and we're here at the top of the move here. So keep an eye on this to see how this how this works out and how it develops. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, also on the bottom here on 104, really not picking it up, but I did mean to go to the GBP Japanese yen. Let's do that first. We're trading at 154, also had a tremendous rally and now selling off. So whereas the USD GBP USD is not selling off as much, as you can see here. The GBP Japanese yen is selling off a little bit more. So it's a down tick on a hourly. So ultimately, again, you just got to keep an eye on it. And like we said before, you know, I wouldn't recommend trading it, especially if it's your first time trading. Looking at oil retracing a little bit from $50 to $49.24 here. And just taking a little bit of a breather after yesterday's crude oil numbers. Looking at gold just briefly, let's bring that up. As you can see here, it's gold just bouncing a little bit here, also in a very tight range. However, the indices internationally are up sharply. I mean, we're looking at big gap ups within the Nikkei, within the Dow, within the S&P futures. So, you know, very positive news in terms of, you know, so far in terms of, you know, whether or not the Britain will stay within the EU. So, so far, you know, but you need to keep a lot, you need to actually stay up with the news and just see what's going on. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading.